Hey man, say man, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, bro. It's been a while. I'm glad to be back. Glad to see y'all back. Hope y'all glad to see me back. Let's get to it. You know, today is brake day. We're about to work on my brakes. We're gonna put some ceramic brakes on there. We're gonna put these drill and slotted rotors on there, you feel me, from POWERSTOP. See how these bad boys work. My brakes been squeaking, squealing, doing all kind of weird stuff. Pull up to the red light, be putting the windows up, you feel me? That's how ashamed I be because it's so loud. And I just got my brakes changed, dude. I don't know what the hell happened. I don't know what those people did. I don't know what they put on there. So after that, I'm like, you know what? Nobody ain't touching my car no more. I'm gonna do my own stuff. Cause my brakes were on there for at least a month and a half and started squealing. And I'm like, what the hell going on? And they're leaving like brake residue everywhere. Black. Every time I wash my car, my microfibers and everything's just black. But we about to go tap in with Red Eye Gray. He never worked on his rotors and brakes altogether, so he'll know what to expect when he's working on his. He say he changed some rotors out on a Charger before, but he never actually pulled off the brakes, so he'll understand what to do. And shit, I'll understand what to do in the future. Hopefully it's not hard. I watched a few YouTube videos, and it don't seem like it's that hard. It seems like this is probably the easiest thing you can do on your Scat pack, in my opinion. And I'm pretty much lazy. I'd rather pay somebody to work on my car because I like to pay for the convenience, you know, so I can go do other things. So let's see if they don't leave any brake. That's when I put the new kit on. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, welcome back. I missed y'all. We're gonna try to turn up. Make sure y'all put in the comments what y'all wanna see so we could turn up, get the ball rolling, because I'm trying to get back to it, bro. Laziness. When you're lazy, don't get lazy, bro. Keep going, keep grinding. Shit, just keep on, just stay consistent. Whatever you're doing, bro, stay consistent. Shit, because all it takes is for you to not to be consistent at one time, and then bam, years and stuff pass by, and now people like, damn, what happened to you? You know, you fell off. It's like, damn. We back now, let's turn up. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Putting these bad boys on. So you're gonna knock out this pin. You're gonna unscrew right here. It's not a pin. You're gonna pull the brakes off right there. Let you see that. There's also for the rotors. This a bolt, and we got another bolt right there. Gonna be taking all that off. So right here, you're gonna get a flathead. You're gonna wedge it on in there so you get that pressure off those pistons, cause we learned on the other side, if those pistons still engage, you're not about to get that out of there. Probably shouldn't be using the hammer, but hey, we'll use what we got, and that's another pin from the packaging. We're just gonna use it and hit it with that. There's a tool you can use to do this, but we're over here using what we got instead of going to buy more tools. But see, it worked out pretty smooth. Got us a little bucket down there on the ground, keeping all our parts and tools together so we don't lose nothing. See, first bolt, you got your other bolt. It's actually simple as hell. By me working on it myself, I figured it was even more simple. You don't have to do this, but I only do this because I'm low-key like a clean freak, and certain things I need it to be done a certain way. So I'm gonna wipe these calipers down, make them nice and pretty and red again, come back to life. jack right here. I'm gonna put that caliper on there so the pressure in that line don't just be dangling, because the front one is heavy as hell. So don't forget to put your lug nuts on that rotor. So when you putting that caliper back on, everything will be stable, all in the place, not moving all over. The brake should slide right back in because the pressure on those pistons is released, you know, so you shouldn't have no hard time fighting with it again. We just putting everything back how we pretty much took it out. Right here, he's spraying a brake cleaner on her. I wouldn't have did it this way. I would have put that on the ground so it wouldn't get everywhere else, but I didn't want that to be on. But to each his own. Be gentle. You see how I'm being very gentle, hitting that pin right back in, because I'm trying to avoid scuffing and tearing up my caliper, getting chips on it. Don't forget to take your lug nuts off and put your wheel back on, and that's pretty much your brake job right there, bro. Knocking those pins out, putting everything back into place. It's so easy, a fifth grader can do it, I guess. It ain't rocket science. So if you're a visual learner, you probably catch your own even faster. But after you do one side by yourself and shit, you'll be able to knock it out in a couple of hours. Right here, I would have did this a little bit different. So, because I'm trying to work smart, not hard, I would have took all my brake components out of that caliper instead of me trying to take them all out while sitting on top of that rotor. But whatever works for you, whatever floats your boat, as long as you get it done.